So, Terence McKenna once said that the movement of a single atom from one known position, here we have a molecule with atoms in it, and they have known positions. The movement of a single atom from one known position to another known position changes an experience from nothing to overwhelming. This means that mind and matter at the quantum mechanical level are all spun together. It's Terence McKenna, and I'm going to elaborate what he means by that. He's saying that a neurotransmitter molecule like this one in the brain, if the atoms are rearranged just slightly, it can change the experience of mind or consciousness from something normal to something extraordinary or overwhelming. And to make that visible for you, here we have dimethyltryptamine, otherwise known as DMT, that happens to be the most potent psychedelic compound known to man. It is known for causing out-of-body experiences, and people who inhale vaporized DMT, they report their mind being transported to a different dimension entirely. It is like having your conscious mind thrown into a fractal pattern hyperspace onto an alien spaceship or something. But if we just remove this dimethyl group over here and take these atoms off the corner with this nitrogen, and we replace that nitrogen with one that has a carbon attached to it, and then if we simply pull off this hydrogen on this corner and we attach an OH molecule, oxygen and hydrogen together, now we have a different neurotransmitter, which you're more familiar with. This is serotonin, which is responsible for happiness or joy, the feeling of pleasure, of being happy. That's the serotonin molecule. It doesn't throw your mind into an alien dimension, but it makes you feel happy. And that's an ordinary experience of consciousness, of the mind. So what Terence McKenna means is that at the quantum mechanical level, mind and matter are all spun together. Here we can see that the molecular formula for DMT is just slightly different than the one for serotonin. They have the same basic structure. They share the same structure mostly, while one has 16 hydrogens and one has 12 carbons, while the other has 10 carbons and 12 hydrogens. And there's an oxygen attached to one of the nitrogens, but both of them have 2 nitrogens. They're mostly carbon and mostly hydrogen. But the quantum mechanical forces, the configuration of electrons in the orbitals between each of the atoms, those quantum mechanical forces that hold these molecules together, at that level of reality of those forces, you have mind and matter which are melded together somehow. It's as if they are the line between material reality and mental reality. The psychological and the physical are all spun together at this scale of physics and chemistry.